Welcome to AM Cabinets Showroom. We're located in Casselberry, Florida, right on 436, right in between 1792 and Red Bug Lake. We're here to serve you. We want you to come in and take a look at our cabinets, see the quality of our all wood cabinets, our countertops, granite, quartz, marble. At our showroom, we have about 20 different cabinet styles and colors, and you can come in and see how they are. You can see how they're made. All of our cabinets are 3/4 inch sides, 5/8 backs, solid wood doors. All the doors and drawers are soft closing, and you have a lot to choose from. Once you come in and choose the cabinet you want, we can do the 3D design so that you can see exactly how your kitchen would look like with the cabinets that you have chosen. At AM Cabinets, we also do our own granite work. We cut and fabricate ourselves, and we have a very nice selection. So stop by, come in, schedule an appointment. It's completely free. We'll go out to your house, we'll take measurements, we'll do a 3D design so that you can see exactly how the cabinets that you want will look in your kitchen. And it's all completely free. You just stop by, make an appointment, or give us a call, and we'll go and do that for you.